Fantastic. I'm thinking to myself, what a great fucking band. And then it occurred to me, we wouldn't be nothing if it wasn't for you guys out there. And the crowd goes slightly crazy. I'm gonna work on that one. Flint, we love you. Would you like a little bit more? Just a little bit? Would you like a slow kind of a ballady country song? Or would you rather we just fucking rip your face off? Fair enough, let's rip it up! Quickly introduce the boys making noise. We are so very happy to have Ace Van Johnson over here playing guitar. Doing a great fucking job, Ace. Thank you. The original, he was in this band before me. This band. The Human Tripod, the Missing Renown. Johnny Martin on the bass. They love you, Johnny. I love you too. Now listen, Flint, believe me, we got a call 2 weeks ago from Shane telling us he was going to rejoin Hanson and we needed to find another drummer. We didn't have a lot of choices, and we certainly didn't have a lot of time. And the first person that we thought of, the drummer from Brides of Destruction, hello. So Tracy goes, what do you say we give Scott Coogan a call? And I said, fuck yeah, let's call Scott fucking Coogan on the drum! My name's Philip, hello. That's it. Now this motherfucker over here, we could talk about him all night. To my left, my right hand man, I wouldn't be here, you wouldn't be here, none of this would be happening if it wasn't for the one, the only, the incredible, the unique Tracy fucking Guns and Legend Guitar.